Grape seed for mosquitoes? Grapeseed oil is often found in recipes for natural mosquito repellent. However, grapeseed oil is the carrier oil for the other ingredients to be diluted into and not the active ingredient. Active ingredients. Essential oils added to the grapeseed oil gives the lotion or spray its insect repellent qualities. Citronella and lavender are some examples, and they smell good too. Benefits. Grapeseed oil moisturizes and nourishes skin, according to the Natural Beauty website. Furthermore, it has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that helps heal mosquito bites. Warnings. Using a mosquito repellent is not a substitute for protecting yourself against insect-borne diseases such as malaria or West Nile virus.